Morning, welcome to another Photoshop tutorial, and in this video I'm going to be telling you why it is going crazy already using Photoshop. You know, there are some apps that we buy just to make work easier for us, and Photoshop is becoming that external app, that external plugin that we normally add to our Photoshop to make things easier. Now, recently, let me duplicate this. Recently, I'm opening it on Lightroom. Recently, with the recent update of Photoshop, we are able to come here, then select people, which is what is happening here. In the process of selecting people, we can now open up this and you can now start selecting the skin, the face, the hand, and all of that, which is really amazing using Lightroom to do all of that. But what if I tell you that Photoshop itself can now do that? And I think that's what this tutorial is all about. So let's go back into the world of Photoshop. So right here we have our job that I've been finished. This is one of my friend stays close to me, and I decided to take him this picture because he's a comedian, and I felt like he needs some new pictures to upload in his social media to make work easy for him. So one thing I recently noticed after updating my beta, because even though I have the main version, which is the 2025, I still have my beta, and I always make sure that is updated because beta has more updates than any other. We get like 10 times update in the beta while the original still stays there. So in this tool over here, normally when you select this tool, you just come and let me go back to the previous one, which is the 2025, and show you this thing right there. I don't know why it's telling me that my scratch disk is full, but let's go ahead and open it. So I'm going to put that same picture there. Once you drag the picture into Photoshop, I don't know why it's showing me that scratch disk is full. I don't think there is any need for scratch disk to be full. Okay, let me take this off. Let me just go back and okay, I did some editing from here yesterday, and I just need to clear up this purge and say okay. Now I think if I come back here and then drag it in, it's going to work just fine. So I took another picture instead of the previous one because I have a lot of the pictures. So once you select this particular tool here and you try to select, it selects the whole body of the person, and there is no option for you to now select only the skin. But if you want to do that, the only way you can do that is maybe just use your lasso tool and select a particular area, and it will select it for you. So you can actually use that and select a lot of things. But what if I tell you that these things can be automatically selected? Let's go back to the Photoshop itself. So if you look at this particular tool here right now, you just notice that I can select individual areas. As you can see, you even have people here. So instead of me selecting, I can decide to just click here and it will select that part. Click on the nose, it will select the nose. Click on the chin, it will select the chin. Click on the hands. And one beautiful thing about it is if I click on this ear, it's going to show me the other side too. So it's automatically going to select the other side of the ear. If I click on the hand, it's going to select the both side. If I click here, it's going to select both side. If I click anywhere, it's going to select both side. If I click the neck, it's going to select that. It's amazing, right? Now, what if I tell you that all this clicking that I'm doing, you can just come to people, open up people, and open more, and start clicking, selecting the areas that you want to mask out. So let's say I want the nose, I want it sees glasses too. I want the ears, I want the facial skin, I don't want the heart, upper body, arms, and as you can see, all the selections have been done for me. Upper clothes, which I don't want to select. So the rest, which is this area. Once the selection is done, I can just add that area because it's a small area. So I'll just click apply. Once you click apply, it automatically selects those areas for you, so you don't have to stress it. So I know this feature is new in Photoshop. That's why I'm making this video, so you can see it and also apply it to your workflow. I hope this video was helpful. I hope this video have taught you a lot, because this is going to help you while you're trying to mask your skin and blend your skin and do your skin matching right. This is going to help you a lot. So that's why I decided to make this video, so you too can know that there is something like this right now in Photoshop that you can also use in improving your work. Thank you very much. Hope you subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up, and I hope to see you in my next video. Ciao, ciao.